Well, we're back out here at Shawnee. Today is January 8th. Giving you an update in case anybody is thinking of fishing. There's this block of wood from the other day. I'm able to get it out of there. The ice isn't thick enough to stand on. Let's see if this will come out. Alright. Yep. Let's do this. And for anybody watching them and draggies out, don't nobody throw them back in. So, trying to do this in video. The ice is a little thicker out this way, as you can see, but it is cracking there. We're not too far from the dock, or the ramp. Well, here we are at the accessible ramp. A little frost on it. It's only 9:30 in the morning, so gonna warm up some today, but well, that ice, you could probably bust through that. It looks pretty thin. Let's walk on out here and try not to slip. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This might open up later. Ah, there he is. There's the shad that was still wiggling in our other video. He's still wiggling. He is not dead yet. I assume he's a shad anyway. Look. And if you look at that bridge over there, I didn't get a video, but the water's free right underneath the bridge in spots. There was a fellow fishing there, so you could fish off the edge of that one. So later today there might be some fishing opportunities here at Shawnee. But probably won't have no more updates for Shawnee this week. If you folks want to get out here, a lot of the rivers and stuff with a lot of moving water, they're opened up. But I feel like Catfish Dave, this is a video. There was a fish.